Hello there. I'm going to show you how to fix this version of AMD Radeon software is not compatible error. First thing we need to do is open up our search bar and type in device manager. With device manager now open, navigate to your display adapters drop down and then select your AMD graphics card. Right click on it and then select properties. From here, select the driver tab and then you have two options here. The first option, if you're able to roll back your driver, especially if this error has recently occurred, I want you to select rollback driver. If not, I want you to select update driver like so. Here you want to select browse my computer for drivers and then choose let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now here you need to select your AMD graphics card again and then select next. This may take a while, your screen may go black, but bear with it, it's just doing its thing. If that hasn't fixed your issue, I want you to close out of Device Manager and open up a new browser. In your preferred search engine, type in AMD driver download, and then select the top option here, drivers and support for processors and graphics. Under Windows 10 and 11 drivers, I want you to select download Windows drivers here. And once Adrenaline has downloaded, I want you to open it. Once you've installed the AMD Adrenaline Edition software, simply update everything that you are able to update. It will automatically select the correct drivers for everything AMD within your computer, and that should fix your problem.